rubber. Says Vivostat
That's
3M.
conductive rubber.
Oh, wow.
Heat on.
Oh, cool.
Crapper. Plastic whatever.
Conductive rubber.
It is good for taping stuff that gets hot.
Chat more.
Foam?
Conductive rubber. Cool.
Crapper. You can check the resistance with your meter. It's very low. Archive.
What side?
Crapper. Anti-static foam, also conductive.
Conductive thread. Awesome. Okay.
And with the foam the resistance will get lower the more you squish it. Carbon ink. Archive.
Captain was used extensively in the Apollo program. It was used as thermal insulation on the lunar module.
Sweet. Now this stuff looks awesome. I'm gonna put some onto Bubble Boy's scarf. This one is very thin. Cool.
Crapper. More conductive material.
Wow. Thanks, Crafter. This is cool too. So, the best...
That one has glue on the back. You can iron it onto something.
Oh, cool. So, the best thing that would be to use for the SMD chips, would it be this? Or would it be this? Or would it be this?
Crapper. Nothing included. Sorry.
So, but would anything actually work with it? Like, if it's conductive, why wouldn't it work? Other than the resistance, obviously. But if it's such a minimal resistance, would it even matter?
I didn't realize you were trying to do SMD stuff. You need solder paste or something like that.
Woo! This stuff looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. So does this.
Zool.
Trying to make a flexible circuit.
No, all that I'm trying to do is...
You can get that stuff at the hardware store. It's sold for doing duct work. Chat
All
more.
I'm trying to do is mount...
Solder paste. Stencil. Toasty oven. /skillet.
All I'm trying to do is mount SMD chips that I got by accident. And I just need to get the
That's the
traces.
stuff for SMD.
And, like, I don't want anything extensive, so what I would imagine what would happen would be that, say I
use
get a block
aluminum
of
tape all
wood,
the time. It's great for making foot
and then
sensors.
I could put the chip on the wood, and then I could either, like, cut out extremely tiny pieces of this, and then make sure that they're glued together, maybe with this paint stuff. I'm sure that could glue things together. Maybe not well, but with patience it probably could.
Not a
And
great
the
idea.
6 tape. And then I could solder the headers onto this tape, maybe, And then that way it's sort of like a dip chip now.
You need a board with solder paste.
But for solder paste, you need to make it
Not
out.
using a PCB.
This is cool.
Crapper. They make SMD adapters that will make a dip.
Wow, fear me. I have a metal hand. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh.
But you still need the paste at some point.
I guess, maybe.
I can get them soldered for you if you send the chips to me.
How does this moisture sensor sense motion? How does this moisture sensor sense moisture? Like,
I
is
don't
it some
remember.
sort? It must be something with metal or
Resistance?
something. Yeah, obviously resistance. Oh. Cool. But
Archie,
Is it for humidity rather than actual moisture?
it says moisture on it. This looks like it's gonna be fun. R2D2, where are you? Right here.
Crapper. I like the Blink M because you can program the sequence and then disconnect it from the control.
Wait, really? You can program it and then disconnect it? Whoa. How? Oh, there is a little chip on there. Nice. That
Yeah,
is handy.
after that it just needs power.
That is extremely handy. I was wondering why people were going
It
crazy.
has a little AVR on the bottom. A tiny little Mel.
Ooh, look at the wheels on this robot. Sounds really strong too. Fake wires. Nice. It has a little LED. Oh, and it's a button too right there. Casting ball. That's genius. Bird. Wow.
Crapper. Yeah, he plays music, dances, the head moves, all kinds of stuff. Batfish.
Droid.
Zool.
Lol.
Ooh, this whole back part opens up, I bet.
Batfish.
Hello, everyone.
Hello. Bad fish. You're a bad fish.
Crapper. That's where the batteries go. Archie.
Beep beep. Plug me in. Beep beep.
Chat more.
Oh, Leida's technique sounds pretty cool.
I really
Batfish.
like how
I've
they
been
made
bad.
these thing's modular.
Crapper.
See, it does sort
In
of
the
look
back.
like there's an IR LED in there, or sorry, an IR detector. And you can see there's just sort of a minimal